Good morning, student. Today in admission chapter, we are going to study how to pass a single entry. You can also say that adjustment entry. So today I am going to teach you another topic when the certain amount of reserves and accumulated profit is given. So my topic is that accounting treatment of all the accumulated profit and reserve through a single journal entry. So I took a question when PQR were a partnership in sharing profit and losses 6:3:1. They decide to take S into partnership with effect from 1st April 2019. The new profit sharing of PQRS will be 3:3:1. Okay, they also decide to record to the following without affecting their book value by passing adjustment entry. These are the book values. Book value of general reserve 1,80,000, contingency reserve 30,000, profit and loss credit balance 90,000, and advertisement suspense account 1,20,000. How to solve? My dear student, you have to pass first to calculation of sacrificing and gaining ratio. Okay, calculation of sacrificing and gaining ratio. Okay, this is the rule. So there are 3 partners, 4 partners. So old share of PQRS. So old share of P is 6:3:1, that is 6/10, 3/10, 1/10. Okay. New profit sharing ratio, new share. What is new share? 3/10, 3/10, 3/10, and 1/10. So you can deduct this all from there. Old ratio minus new ratio, you obtain 3/10, that is in positive value. If there is a positive value, it means he is going to sacrifice. Who is going to sacrifice? P is going to sacrifice. Okay, P is going to be sacrificed. What about the Q? 3 minus 3, 0. What about this one R? 1 minus 3, that is minus 2/10. It is a gaining partner. Okay, gaining partner. What about this? 0 minus 1, it is called minus 1/10. Both are the gaining partner. My dear student, the gaining partner's capital account debit to sacrificing partner. It means in this position, gaining part, it is a position of it. Next you have to calculate the book value effect. What is the effect? The general reserve 1,18,000, 1,80,000 you plus. Okay, contingency reserve 30,000 plus profit and loss credit balance 90,000 minus advertisement suspense account 1,20,000. What is the value? You just add it and find the value. You got it 1,80,000. Okay, 1,80,000. This 1,80,000 is going to be distributed in this ratio 3/10, 2/10, and 1/10. Okay, the both are the formula is in this situation. What do you observe? 1,80,000 is profit. 1,80,000 is profit. So in the case of profit, the formula is gaining partner's capital account debit to sacrificing partner, write down sacrificing partner capital account credit. Okay, this is the formula in case of profit, and in case of loss it is just reverse. If there is a loss, if there is a loss, we just sacrificing partner capital account debit to gaining partner capital. Okay, so what is the case situation in this question? In this question it is a situation of profit. So this profit is going to be distributed among this one. So you have to show here that journal entry, that is called adjustment entry. So you write down adjustment entry, not write single entry, you have to write adjustment entry. Okay, in this adjustment entry you put it here. Who are there? R and S. R capital account debited, S capital account debited to P capital account credited. So in this situation you have to calculate the profit, that is 1,80,000 multiply 2 by 10. In this situation for S, 1,80,000 multiply 1 by 10. Okay, in this situation you have to calculate 1,80,000 multiply 3 by 10. Okay, so you find out the value, that is the value is for one 36,000 and for his 18,000, and the total of this one you can also say that 18 3 is 54,000. Let's see what will happen in this situation. So my dear student, you just observe what was the question. In this question you have to calculate the first sacrificing or gaining ratio of old partner and new partner. In this question you observe P is the sacrificing partner and R is gaining partner and S is also gaining partner. Okay, so formula of this type of situation: if there is a profit, gaining partner's capital account debit to sacrificing partner's capital account. If there is a loss, sacrificing partner's capital account debit to gaining partner's capital account. How to calculate profit or loss? What are the balances are given in this question? General reserve, liability side; contingency reserve, liability side; profit and loss credit balance, liability side; advertisement suspense account, debit balance, it is asset side. So you add this general reserve, contingency reserve and profit and loss credit balance and deduct advertisement suspense account, you get a profit that is called 1,80,000. This profit is going to be shared in this gaining ratio. Okay, R is gaining partner, so you just multiply 1,80,000 multiply 2 by 10 is called 36,000. 1,80,000 multiply 1 by 10, that is called 18,000. You just put it here. The sacrificing partner, that is 3 by 10. P is the sacrificing partner. Okay, the P is the sacrificing partner. 1,80,000 multiply 3 by 10, that is 54,000. My dear student, how to know what type of the single entry, in which question you have to solve. So whenever you read the question, you just see the last line. What you have to do in the last line, it is already stated that passing adjustment entry. When it is mentioned in the question passing adjustment entry, you follow this type of the rules and regulation for this solution. Okay, my dear student, thank you.